Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Steam games to your Steam library. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main page, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the store option there, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Steam's storefront where you can browse thousands of games available on the platform. Now, once the store page loads, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a magnifying glass icon, which is the search function. Click on this icon to begin filtering through the available games. This search feature is essential for finding exactly what you're looking for among Steam's massive library of titles. Next, scroll down the page until you find a section on the right side labeled Narrow by OS. This filter is particularly useful because it lets you see only the games that are compatible with your operating system, ensuring you don't waste time looking at titles you can't even run on your device. In this section, you'll see checkboxes beside different operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and SteamOS plus Linux. Go ahead and check the box next to your preferred operating system. You can select multiple options if you use different systems, and this will immediately filter the results to show only compatible games for your setup. Now take your time browsing through the filtered results. Look for a game that catches your interest and is marked as free to play. Free-to-play games are a great way to expand your library without spending any money, and Steam offers a solid selection of quality titles in this category. Once you've found a free-to-play game you'd like to add, click on it to open its store page. On this page, you'll see an Add to Library button. Click this button to begin adding the game to your collection. This action registers the game to your account permanently, meaning you'll have access to it whenever you want to play. A confirmation window will appear asking you to verify this action. Simply click OK to confirm that you want to add this game to your library. The game will now be tied to your Steam account and accessible from your library section. To make sure everything worked correctly, navigate to the upper left corner of the screen once more and click on Library. This will show you all the games currently in your Steam collection. You should now see the game you just added listed among your other titles, confirming that it was successfully added to your library. From here, you can install the game immediately if you want to start playing right away, or you can leave it in your library and install it later when you have time. And there you have it, you've successfully added a free Steam game to your library. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.